Come on down to Captain Spalding's Museum of Monsters and Madmen. Yeah, see the alligator boy. Ride my famous murder ride. Most of all, don't forget to take home some of my tasty fried chicken.
Okay, so today we're painting Captain Spalding. I will list all colors like I normally do. Arteza mica set is what I'm working with right now. Let's get started. So right now I'm going to use a little bit of brilliant silver and titanium dioxide to draw the beard. I don't want to cover everything. Because his beard is kind of white hair, but I need to make these very short hair like brush strokes in order to make the beard look real. Okay, it's imperative that you guys do this whenever you're trying to brush a beard. If you just make it solid gray, I mean, it might have like some dazzle to it because this mica just does its job, but I think it doesn't look realistic. Just off these strokes like that, look short, little brilliant silver is what I'm using. It's more lighter. Brilliant silver. And I'm telling you, make this as you can tell, the shorter right here where it's kind of curling under, beard hair curls under right there at the chin. I shorten those down a lot. Short. Let's see if you guys can see it. Short. These little things, they just help to make your bath bomb look real. You know, if you pull up a picture of Captain Spalding, you're gonna see that his hair is not groomed. He's a dirty old man. He doesn't groom his beard or anything, so it's just wild. It's out of line wild, and you got to kind of mimic that. So I'm gonna go ahead and move forward here. When I do this blue here for his eyes, the blue is sapphire blue, B59 of the Arteza mica set. That black is just the activated charcoal that I use. So I'm gonna paint this in just how, you know, how his eyeshadow is, comes up straight from the edge of his black makeup up into the edge of those eyebrows. And then we're just gonna fill in, just like if you were putting on makeup or painting anything up, right? You want brush strokes up. The blue on his hat is the same blue that is on his eyes, that sapphire blue, B59. The rosy red cheeks here are just going to be rose red. And it's actually a dry brush on. And I'm going to start painting the hat. That hat is the same mixture as yesterday that I did for Freddy's Burns. So it's a little bit of raspberry red and copper mixed together, 75-25 mix, just to make that dark red. Because unfortunately, there isn't really like a blood red, crimson red. You know what I mean? Like there isn't like a deep red that I can use. So I have to make my own, and I use this raspberry and copper mix. The brown is chocolate brown, but I actually did a chocolate brown and maybe about 5 drops of an alcohol and activated charcoal black mix. And you don't have to do that. The brown's very dark, but I wanted to gather how almost like dark his eyes are. You know what I mean? They're really dark, damn near black. And I wanted to capture that, so I had to mix it with a little bit of activated charcoal. If you guys don't have a super thin like pinstripe brush, what I did is I took my thinnest brush from like a Walmart pack and I just trimmed the edges to make like a sharp point. Do that. If you do not have a brush like that, you will need a brush like that. That's how you do it, guys. That's how you paint Captain Spalding. Well, this is how I painted it. Please subscribe to this channel and share this stuff. Appreciate you. Thanks. Peace.